let me show you how to purl 2 stitches together. This is a decrease that's often used for lace work or for decreasing for garment shaping, and you're typically going to do it in the middle of a row. So here what you're going to do is you're going to hold the yarn in front as though to purl, because you are going to be purling. You're going to insert the right hand needle down through the top middle of the first stitch, and you're going to go through the top middle of the second stitch. So you've now got 2 loops on your right hand needle. You're wrapping the yarn behind just as though you were purling. You're then pulling your right needle back out the way it came through both stitches, and you're going to release those 2 stitches, and you've now purled 2 together. You've taken 2 stitches and now you have 1 stitch. So let me show that to you again. I'm just going to get a little space. So we're taking the right hand needle, the yarn's in front as if to purl. We're going to put the right hand needle in through the top of the first stitch, out through the bottom, in through the top of the second stitch, out through the bottom. So we've now got 2 loops on the right hand needle, wrapping the yarn behind, pulling the right hand needle back out the way it came, just as if in a purl stitch. We now have the new loop on the right hand needle, and we're going to release the 2 loops. And now 2 stitches have again become 1 stitch, so we've decreased 1 stitch. And that is how you do a purl 2 together.